everyone, it's Christina from PHS. Today I wanted to show you my houseplant China doll and just give it a nice watering fertilizer. It was the first houseplant that I got from a vendor in Center City, and it lives in my guest room upstairs in a really nice bright sunny window, and it likes a lot of water. It takes about 1 to 2 waterings a week, and right now, and then I fertilize it about once a month. So originally it came with this handy plastic base so that I can water it and then it'll absorb on a regular basis. But I've gotten better at actually watering it when it needs it instead of just like holding it in water. So I'm going to fertilize it today. This is the fertilizer that I use. I dilute it with water and room temperature so it doesn't shock the plant. Give it a nice soaking. When I first got this plant, I didn't water it quite what it needs, so it started dying a little bit, and then I revived it by giving it the proper care. So it's grown a little like haphazardly. I have a few spots that are showing some really nice new growth, and then there's some that are sort of truncated, but I mean, it is what it is. So I've got a couple of spots here that are really starting to need a little trimming. But otherwise, it's one of my favorite plants. She's looking pretty good. She's got some new growth, some shoots. I'll let it sit and then drain out the excess water. And there she is. Thanks for joining me.